How to create a ChatGPT account. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to create your ChatGPT account. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Tap on Sign Up. Enter your email address and tap Continue. Create your password and again click on Continue. Now you have to verify your email, so just go and check your Gmail. As you can see, the OpenAI has sent us an email with the verification link. Open it and go ahead and click on Verify Email Address. Once the email is verified, now you have to enter your first name and last name. Then click on Continue. Now you have to enter your phone number along with the country code and verify it. Simply click on Send Code after entering your phone number. Now the OpenAI will send you the code in your SMS. Go ahead and enter that code. And once you've done that, your account will be created and now you can start using the ChatGPT. This was how to create ChatGPT account the easiest way. Thank you for watching.